Morning, everybody, or afternoon. It's morning for me. I've got my cup of coffee. I'm getting ready to clean. Hate cleaning. Don't like it. I've tried every kind of system there is. Made little index cards, put them in a box, pull out your chores for the day. I just highly dislike it. Use the H word. I hate cleaning. I hate housework. It just gets undone behind you. I don't know about you, but I don't like it. This works for us. We just do it super fast. We call it Blitz Cleaning. We turn on our cleaning tunes, our favorite jams, and we just rock it out. We just crank the music and get it done. We haul along our little bag from room to room. Whatever doesn't belong in that room just goes in the bag. We don't waste time running from room to room. Just chuck it in the bag, get that room done, move to the next room. If there's stuff in the bag that goes in that room, you pull it out, put it away. Easy peasy. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll show you what it looks like. I think it's kind of fun. It's better than just methodically, slowly trudging through. Just get it done and over with. We can get pretty much the upstairs tidy, swept, mopped, vacuum in about a half an hour because we do it constantly. If you're just chipping away at it every day, you can do your nitty gritty whenever, but this is my morning routine, Blitz cleaning in action. I'll show you what it looks like.